Today I'm taking with the AKM tool metric T-handle set. Okay, so it comes with a holder and that actually has holes on it so we could actually screw that to the wall so we could easily get to these guys. This is a very nice touch. So this actually has a collar on it that you can grab it so you can spin it very easily without having to do something more like this. So you can get a much more rapid spin on this, pretty much as fast as you could get out of a power tool as long as that bolt is spinning free. That's nice. I was not expecting all of that. You can see on there it is well printed, 4mm. And that is a round shaft all the way down up until the tip, so that means this is going to be much stronger than you'd get if you just had a 4mm hex going all the way down. So larger, thicker, stronger. On the top we have two 4mm, and this is also a slide bar. So if you need to get a little bit more torque, but you also need to get a little more depth, you can do that with this, whereas something you definitely cannot get out of other T-handles or even L keys. So that is pretty darn neat. And that is very long for a 4mm. So we're looking at a total length of 7 inches. You can see these are also color coded and they have color coded bars on the top. So it'll be very easy to identify where these guys go. So we got a 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 6, 8, and 10. So that is a full set. We are missing a couple here, and that is because they are still wrapped up in the box. That guy spins super free. That is very nice. Here is our 8. And here is the big boy. This is our 10mm. So that is a surprisingly nice T-handle set. And it also came with this guy. It's calling this the magic magnet. That is going to magnetize the tip, so if we need to hold on to a bolt, maybe we need to carefully guide that into a spot, and we can use that to help out. Yeah, that is a super smooth mechanism. If you're using something like a pneumatic ratchet, this would be just as fast. Especially if you got arthritis or anything in your hands, it can make your life a lot easier. Cool. So yeah. I'm impressed with that. If you got to do a lot of work, that is going to be an excellent set to have.